I'll be over the Clark, Stockbridge Harbor, doing donuts. I have license plate. I'll have to get it to you in a second.
And 4.
Respond D. Davis for an accident with injury. Highway 41 southbound, just north of Highway 10. Town Center's clear 2308.
7 respond, Highway 41 and 10 in the southbound lanes for vehicle 1050, 2 patients, one being a pregnant female with bleeding in her face. Go ahead, Winnebago.
If you could, advise your medic that's responding to the crash 41 in front of Pierce for the vehicle rollover. They're going to have easier access from Holly Road. The vehicle actually went completely through the fence and is right next to Holly Road. In the area of Pierce Manufacturing.
10-4 Winnebago, Medic 7, do you copy?
Medic 7 copies, thank you. 517, 5.56. 40, go ahead.
I'm taking a call from Sherwood Mobile. They had a gray Nissan Ion 4-door pull in there and hit the curb on the way in. She believes that the occupants may be high or something heading to Manitowoc. At this point, they're still there. I don't know if they're going to head up to 10 or continue on 114 if you want to start heading that way.
Before I just wanted to clarify, you said Saturn Ion, correct?
That's what she thought it was. She could see through the snow that it was a Nissan. She thought it was an Ion.
Nissan doesn't make Ion. Saturn does.
10-4, and the gray Nissan, whatever would look like an Ion.
10-4.
I haven't caught up on my vehicles yet.
10-4. A24840, I'm taking 10 to M 343. 10-4. A24840. Go ahead. I'm at 10 and M. You want me to continue? Are you almost through M? I am. I'm just coming up to 10 now. And 343. There are tracks in the snow, but I'm not sure if they're Nissan Ions or not.
40, that would be a negative. Nissan does not make an Ion.
I'm sorry, I meant Saturn Ultimas.
I had an Altima that a Nissan that just came out of McDonald's. They came from the west. Unable to read a plate. I'm stopped at Ryan and Glenview right now.
They're all snowmobiles at this point.
Copy.
40, go ahead.
You can respond for a vehicle in the ditch. It'll be on JJ and Double P Paul, a blue van. He requested a non-preference tow, so I'll be contacting Scott.
Go ahead. I got auger issues again. I'm going to manual. I have a truck that went in the ditch over on Y and Weeks Road. Talked to the guy, he's alright, he's got a tow truck coming. Go ahead.
He copied highway, but there's a truck in the ditch at Y and Weeks Road. There's no injuries and he does have a tow on the way. Did you want to start heading that way or I can just clear out the screen?
Yeah, I'll check it out real quick.
10-4.
8-9.
We report of a vehicle in the median 114 by fire lane 8. The flashers are on it and it is occupied.
Can you respond to County Highway Y and Abisher for a vehicle in the ditch?